Let's look at how to maintain our Schofield CO2 pistol. The first thing that you want to do is to remove the grip panel. Make sure that you remove any CO2 cartridges that might be in there, and then go ahead and remove your shells. We'll set those over to the side. That way we know the gun is safe to work on. Once you've done that, the first thing that we can look at is just cleaning the exterior surface. I generally use just a rag just to remove any dust or debris that's on there. Once you've kept the exterior clean, the next thing that you'll want to look into cleaning is the barrel. And so to clean the barrel, there's a couple ways that you can do that. The next time you shoot your gun, you can load felt cleaning pellets into, not these BB shells, but the pellet shells, and just shoot them through. The other way is to use patches and a cleaning rod. Just place your patch around the end of that, push it in through the barrel. Make sure your cylinder's lined up and just push it right out. You can see that patch is pretty clean. This barrel wasn't too dirty. If you've got a really dirty barrel, you can use something like Ballistol to help work up any gunk that might be in there, and then just follow it up with dry patches. As far as lubricating your gun, every time that you install a CO2 cylinder, you'll want to put a drop of silicone oil at the top of that cylinder. Another important thing that I'd recommend is not over tightening your CO2 screw. A lot of people are over tightening their screws, and that of course accelerates the damage of this seal. And so don't over tighten. It should be just tight enough to pierce the CO2 cylinder, and then to make sure that there's no leaking. Tightening beyond that is just ruining your gun. Another thing is, when you're done shooting, remove your CO2 cylinder. Don't leave these loaded. Again, that puts wear and tear on the internal seals. And then there are some pivot points that you can lubricate. I don't recommend using silicone oil for that, but you can use pretty much any of your favorite firearm lubricants, or even just something as simple as motor oil. But just placing a drop of oil right in the pivot. In fact, you can do it on this side here, and then just work it through a couple times. You can do the same thing over here where the latch is. Just apply a drop of oil on either side and you're good to go. So I hope this video helps you maintain your Schofield to get the maximum life possible. Thanks for watching.